Hello guys, so today I want to introduce you to a new tool that I made, which is free, freely available on my website here. So when working with coding agent, Cloud Code or AMP code in my case, sometimes I need to give the API documentation. So for the coding agent to implement it, for example, the mobile application or the front-end application. So for example, I want to like implement the flashcard screens on mobile and on the web applications. So for example, I have this sure, let me turn this off first. Gotta kill this. Okay. So here we go. So for example, this let me really clear this. 3000. Okay, 2004, no problem. So I would like to add an options here for the flashcard, but my API is growing so much, like a lot, uh, grown a lot. So I cannot, or it is not effective to put all the API docs documentations into the LLM and ask it to implement the feature. So what I did is I create this tool, Swagger extractor here. So you can copy your existing API docs here, paste here, and only extract the path that you want for the feature. So for example, I'm working on the flashcard deck API here. So I only want to get these parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So what I do is I copy this, paste here. Okay. So this is the original one. Over 17,000 lines, and I want to filter the path. So for example, that would be flashcard decks, flashcard decks, like that. And I can override the server. For example, I have two servers here, so I want to override it with something else, that something in the contract with me and the coding agent, so it will not get confused. And yeah, I can either skip the fields. For example, the summary field is unnecessarily long, and it consume the input token from the LLM. So I want to skip that. But let's extract the subset, so you can see. So match path is 7. I don't know why. Should be more than that, right? Flashcard decks. So it's about 11 or 12. But why only 7? Maybe it's the counter is wrong. So 13, right? But the nice thing is you can show the preview here and scroll down, and obviously this calculation is wrong. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 13 exactly. So the calculation is wrong. I will fix that. Anyways, here I can show you we have quite long summary here. So I can put summary here to exclude it from the output here. And at the top, I have the servers. So as I mentioned, this is backend, something like that. And extract, we have one thing, API backend, and no summary. So the text is very much cleaner. So you don't have too much redundant info. Get into the context of the conversation of the thread between you and the coding agent. So let me show you. I copy the output here. Should have a notification or something to signify that the output is copied. But I will open, yeah, so this is the output. I should compress this further, but for the demonstration purposes, I just copy that and open my coding agent. So this isn't my API, my front end. So I cd to okay, cd. So I start um, I need to write the Swagger data first. So flashcard API docs.json. So later I can refer this to the agent, so it will plan and implement the features. So I will start copy this first. So make sure I copy this. Sorry, I'm in Tmax. I'm a beginner, so maybe A. Okay, cool. Okay, that's it. Okay, and let's start Claude. Okay, so this is my prompt. I'm also a beginner with coding agent, so bear with me. Let me implement the CRUD for CRUD stands for create, read, update, delete. It's a common terms used for developing features in the in the non-AI world. So CRUD for flashcard deck. Following the documentation in let's see, yes, yeah, add a new menu item on the navigation on the left. Okay, so that's it. So Claude will go ahead and read that file, understand the API, and interestingly, it will provide something very useful for us. So it will go ahead and read the file. This is probably the first time Claude work on this repository. Previously, I have AMP or AMP code, which is another agent, and I use it in free mode. It is still very good, and I still use it sometimes. Since Claude is very nice, and I have the paid version, so I will use Claude until I reach the limit. So probably I will like pause the video here and come back when it has complete the feature. So it may take like few minutes to like, okay, yeah, it asks me to enter the plan mode because this feature is complex. Okay, so yeah, let it enter the plan mode, and this would take some time too. So yeah, so just go along with it and wait for it. If you can skip ahead. Yeah, but I just keep the video playing for now. Okay, okay, nice. So it can now start working, implementing the features. Still in the plan mode. So there's nothing here, nothing here. Okay. So this is my application for people to learn foreign languages. So I develop the backend, this one, this web app, simple web app, and also a mobile app. Um, Initially, I did all the coding by myself, but uh, since I got into Cloud Code, then it does most of the coding now. So yes, this auto accept because I'm not I'm not a front end expert. So let it cook. But sometimes when I review the code, there's a lot of like uh, I would say minor bad code, like it doesn't follow any patterns of reusable code. And if you are like really picky about that, you can go ahead and update the code to your liking. But anyways, well, I kind of need to get this um, up and running quickly. This is a major feature, the flashcard thing, because yeah, there are real people using it, and they request the feature, so which is very nice. So let's see the code here. I'm not sure if this is the right thing. Okay, okay, so it is updating to the common API client, which is very large right now. I think it should split into module files. Add API client methods. Okay. So we're here, something is running, something is changing, then the application is changing, I guess. So we have the flashcard here. Click on that, and we have 404. No worries, because yeah. So it has a really nice to-do list. So compare this to the thing before. Initially, I ask question into ChatGPT or Gemini or Cloud API, Cloud AI, and copy the solution. Now it does everything like this. So it is quite nice. So I'm burning a lot of token, but it is like I have this is the new year like promotion. So I have double the rate. So that's cool. Add API client method. Uh, Probably many people are using it right now. So it's kind of slow. But anyways, let's wait for it for 1 or 2 minutes. So I can, yeah, if it is too long, I will cut this out. Right. Okay, okay. So something. See the panel on the left is moving. That means code change. Then the applications was rendered again. Okay, so it's not a 404, but it failed to load the flashcard text. I have a few. Um, yeah, I'm really curious to see what is the API. What are the APIs get called here? But well, hopefully it called the right APIs. This is surprisingly long. It seems everything stops. I'm not sure. Should I stop? Okay, still fail. So, yep, there's no API. Okay, this is the API call. Did I start my backend? Yes. So actually, this is the right call. Learner flashcard deck. Is that? Yeah, this is the get API. Cool. Why is it? What is this? It got the beer token correctly. Oh, sure. I know. Because I need to kill the port 3000 because I don't have the um, I don't have the cross origin configure for 3004. Uh, so let me find the port which process is running port 3000. Hmm, P 3000. Is it okay? Really? Okay. Okay, so I understand. So the process wasn't created by me, so I cannot see it without sudo. What? Okay, let me see. How do I kill the port 3000? I'm also a noob in Linux, so bear with me. Telnet PS. This doesn't work, right? Now let me ask Claude or Chrome. Kill by port Linux. Okay, so yeah, yep. Let's try it. 3000. Okay, cool. Okay, we have port 3000. 3000. Yep. Okay, and I restart this one. So it will be able to call the backend because of the cross origin. Yep, the cross origin thing. Reload it, and yeah. So we successfully load the the flashcard, and yeah, it's working. So already have this. Yep, maybe these two things, but I think that we have the item here. So the view details doesn't have it, but I guess this is working. But this one is like just freeze. Yes, yes, please. So yeah, so it will actually freeze. So I mean Tmux. So probably that was the reason why um why it doesn't it has some freeze period. But anyways, let's wait for this to complete. So let me go back here. So we have the list. So we have the crit deck. So it treats my like DTO, my schema very well. So like English, grammar, quiz, not really quiz, so flashcard, I'm not sure. So create the deck, and wow, the deck was created successfully, which is very impressive. So yes, okay. Let it view. So let me go to this one. So something is wrong. hmm Something is wrong. But yeah, so the code is changing. So this is normal to see issues like this. But when the process is done, then we can like really use the application. Um, yeah, sure. Okay. So still error. So maybe I need to stop this and start again. 3000. Yeah, sometimes we need to do that. So this one, yep. Can I? Yeah, sure. So you can see that I can literally yeah, do CRUD. This is only 10. Then if I have more, then yeah, it will display more, and I may ask it to add navigation, like pagination to this. But that is for the other thing. But the main point is that this tool, sorry for letting you too far from the original topic, that this is the tool you can use to extract the exact API you want to use, send to your LLM or the coding agent. So you can save the tokens in the context. And yeah, hope that helps, and hope you will do something useful. Bye bye.